Kondisi rumah sakit Mitra.
6 orang katanya di dalam, Mas.
6 orang katanya masih terjebak di dalam.
2 orang perawat,
2 orang perawat,
2 orang pasien, 1 orang keluarga pasien.
No true supporter of mine could ever threaten or harass their fellow Americans. If you do any of these things, you are not supporting our movement, you are attacking it, and you are attacking our country. My fellow Americans, I want to speak to you tonight about the troubling events of the past week. As I have said, the incursion of the U.S. Capitol struck at the very heart of our republic. It angered and appalled millions of Americans across the political spectrum. I want to be very clear. I unequivocally condemn the violence that we saw last week. Violence and vandalism have absolutely no place in our country and no place in our movement. Making America great again has always been about defending the rule of law, supporting the men and women of law enforcement, and upholding our nation's most sacred traditions and values. Mob violence goes against everything I believe in and everything our movement stands for. No true supporter of mine could ever endorse political violence. No true supporter of mine could ever disrespect law enforcement or our great American flag. No true supporter of mine could ever threaten or harass their fellow Americans. If you do any of these things, you are not supporting our movement, you are attacking it, and you are attacking our country. We cannot tolerate it. Tragically, over the course of the past year, made so difficult because of COVID-19, we have seen political violence spiral out of control. We have seen too many riots, too many mobs, too many acts of intimidation and destruction. It must stop. Whether you are on the right or on the left, a Democrat or a Republican, there is never a justification for violence. No excuses, no exceptions. America is a nation of laws.
你有话想说却苦无发声的管道吗？
你对事情有不同的见解却无人倾诉吗？
年轻学子们站出来，说出你们的想法，让我们听听年轻人的心声。
闹变风向，强力征求学生辨识，只要你敢说，我们就敢要。
赶紧拍摄影片，然后发送到我们以下的信箱，就会有专人跟你联系。
还有，别忘了订阅我们闹变风向的 YT 频道，按赞，开启小铃铛，就不会错过我们精彩的辩论哦。
各位朋友，闹变风向，
敢嘴就来辩。